Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Find the Air. This is episode 11, A Landing Ball. Now we're going to go through and highlight the key information. A ball is thrown from a height of 8 meters with a velocity of 40 meters per second at an angle of 60 degrees. And we have been tasked with solving when will it land. This is a Physics 12 two-dimensional kinematics problem because we're launching at an angle, not just straight up. Because this is a two-dimensional problem, we have to break this velocity into its Vy component, which is V sine theta. It's the vertical velocity that's going to solve going up and down. Our Vy is equal to 40 sine 60 degrees. We can chuck that into our calculator, 40 sine 60, and we get a nice number of 20 meters per second. You'd think that was planned. Now that we have our Vy of 20 meters per second and we're talking about a ball going up and coming down, we are going to have to use our distance equation that accounts for a falling object. This is d equals 1/2 at squared plus vit plus di. We have everything that we need. We've highlighted our key information. D is equal to 1/2. Our A value is gravity. That's negative 9.8. Our T value, that's what we're solving for. Plus our velocity initial, don't mess this up and use that 40, we have to use that vertical velocity component, 20. 20t plus our distance initial, which was 8 meters high. What we're going to do is we're going to solve the halfway point of our time by figuring out the vertex. So if we do t equals negative b over 2a, we take our negative b value, so that's negative 20, divided by 2 times negative 4.9, which was our a value. This is going to equal 2.04 seconds. This is the vertex of the ball, so it's the highest point of the ball, so it's going to be the halfway point of our ball. If we want to figure out when the ball actually lands, we're going to double the time of our vertex. So we take the 2.04 seconds and we double that to 4.08 seconds. So we had the 2.4, that was the halfway point of the ball. If we double that, we now know that the ball lands in 4.08 seconds. Or does it? Were you able to find the mistake that I made? Were you a clever little cupcake and found that error? If you did, give yourself a smile. Don't ruin the fun for anyone else, but thanks for playing, and I hope that you'll have fun playing next time as well.